Hello everybody, it's Sandy. I'm in Florence, Arizona again. And they have a car show here. So I thought I'd come down and try to get out some gospel tracts to these people. So car shows are real good for that. So keep praying for them. In Jesus' name, amen. Well, that's Sandy again. I want to just give you a panoramic of this car show. There's tons of people here. You could get out 1,000 tracks. Give you something to read later, sir?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You know what they did do, right? They bought property east of school.
Did you get one of these to read? Did you get one of those?
No. Thank you.
You're welcome. For you folks. God bless you. Uh-oh, dog fight. Did you folks get one of those?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, a lot of cool looking cars here too. Pastor Andrus would like that orange truck over there. He's got one like it. This is blue and white, I think. I gotta get this lady.
I had to wear a hat.
It's hot out here, yeah. Well, he gets so red. Because with that ice.
Whatever they
You?
I'm going to get one.
Drop it.
How to get rich?
Yep. And keep it. We will walk up here quick. I'm kind of parked in a bad spot, so I hope I don't get towed or get a ticket. Something for you guys to read later? You're welcome. Anyway, it goes about 2 blocks up the road there. So you get the gist of it. You just pass the church. Did you get one of these, ma'am? Yeah. There you go.
Oh, no, there's not.
Yeah, you get a picture with all the Sunnyland people.
Here's the dog fight dog. Where you go, kid?
Big bang, and a bunch of sparks come flying out.
You?
What you got, kiddo?
Good news. Here, I got a test for you too.
You got a test for me? I automatically fail just saying test.
I know it makes you
Bless your
nervous.
heart.
I think you'll pass that one.
All right.
A bunch of sparks come flying out.
Well, let's see if we can get this little guy. Hey guy, give you some good news. That's your acid test right there. You're welcome. Anyway, very nice car show, I gotta say. Very nice, very, very nice.
You want our picture?
I charge. Alright, hello everybody. Again, it's Sandy. I just wanted to show you my setup. I went up there to pass out tracts. Got out about 100 tracts and coins. A couple of Bibles. Hey guys.
Hello.
And I set up my little buggy right here. Right by the post office. So we got free Bibles. And I had about 5 or 6 kids come over. I'd say about young teenage kids come over wanting a Bible and tracts. So that's good. And just hanging. You can hear people reading the sign because they read it out loud as they're walking across the street. So we got that up. And we got the Bibles. And we got the military Bibles. And I got my bag of tracts. And pocket full of gospel coins. So they give with a gospel tract to people. They really like those coins. Okay, I'm gonna try looking into building a mold and making my own coins. See how that happens. All right, that's just an overview of my little booth. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.